Welcome back. Before we begin, straighten your posture. Relax your shoulders. Now take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Good. You already know our rhythm now. We are moving through the doors one by one. Each door gives us one clear symbol to understand the Rig Veda. Fire, thunder, dawn. Door 1 was Agni, the fire. Door 2 was Indra, the thunder. Door 3 was Ushas, the dawn. Today, we open door 4, Varuna. And we also open door 5, Rita. Varuna and Ṛta belong together because Varuna is strongly linked with Rita in the Rig Veda. So today, we learn them slowly and clearly. So let's start with Varuna, our door 4, calm order and moral clarity. In the Rig Veda, Varuna is often connected to the vast sky, to what is wide, high and steady. But Varuna is not only the sky. Varuna also represents moral order, a calm sense of what is right. Varuna is linked to truth, to keeping promises, to inner honesty. So when we say Varuna, think of this simple idea. Varuna is connected to truth and right order in life. Varuna is not loud. Varuna is not chaotic. Varuna feels steady. So remember, Varuna is connected to truth, order, and moral clarity. Now we open door 5, Rita, the calm law of the cosmos. Rita is not a person. Rita is not a god figure. Rita is a principle. Rita means the natural order of reality, the law that keeps the cosmos stable. Here are easy examples. Day follows night. Seasons return. The sun rises in rhythm. Rivers flow in a direction. Cause leads to effect. This steady pattern is Rita. So keep this beginner definition in your mind. Rita is the cosmic order. Rita is the truth pattern of the universe. Now, why do we meet Varuna and Rita together? Because Varuna is often linked with protecting Rita or guarding Rita, keeping that order strong. A simple way to understand it is this. Rita is the order. Varuna is connected to keeping that order steady. Rita is the principle. Varuna is the presence linked with that principle. That's why these two doors stand side by side in our room. Now, many beginners may think cosmic order is only out there, only in stars and seasons. But this idea is deeper. Rita also shows up inside human life. Inside us, Rita feels like peace when we are honest and restless when we are not. When your words match your truth, that is alignment. When your actions match your values, that is alignment. That alignment is a human reflection of Rita. Let's make it every day. Sometimes it's as small as a message. You type, "I'm fine," but you're not. And suddenly your chest feels tight. That tight feeling is misalignment. Now you send the true message. "Actually, I'm not okay." And your body feels lighter. That's Rita inside you. And when we move away from truth, we feel it. We feel inner unease. We feel restless. Not because the universe is angry, but because we are out of rhythm. Simple takeaway. Rita is cosmic order, and living truthfully brings us closer to that order. Now let's connect this to Varuna. Varuna is linked with truth, and truth is what keeps us aligned. So if Rita is the order, Varuna is the reminder to live in that order. And here's why Varuna can feel intense. Because sometimes the truth can be intense. It makes us face ourselves. Sometimes we hide things, even from ourselves. But the Rig Veda often speaks of a reality that cannot be fooled. Not to shame us, but to bring us back to truth, a reality that knows. So Varuna can represent that seeing, not as fear, not as punishment, but as clarity. A beginner-friendly way to say it is this: Varuna reminds us to be honest, because honesty brings peace. Now let's do a little practice. 30 seconds. Take one slow, long breath in through your nose and one slow, steady breath out through your mouth. Relax. Now ask yourself this question: what am I avoiding admitting to myself right now? Take your time. Pause the video if you need to. Now ask, what is one small step I can take today to act on it? Just one step to get a little closer. That's enough for today. And that one step is you coming back into alignment. This is how Rita becomes practical. And this is how Varuna becomes personal. So today, we opened 2 doors. Door 4, Varuna, calm moral clarity, a presence linked with truth and right order. Door 5, Rita, the cosmic order itself, the calm law of reality. And the message is simple. When we live honestly, we feel steadier inside. When we live in alignment, life feels quieter. They call it integrity. We call it sanskar. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss the next episode when it's released. Next episode, we open the door that ties these teachings together. How many names can point to one truth? Gently. Episode 1.5 begins next. Asa Hindu wisdom.